Hey Chatty, I'm going to Hawaii for 1 month in July. Check the weather and create my packing guide. I usually work out every day, then I'll sit down to work, go out to the beach for sunsets, and then explore around the town on the weekends. And it's also going to be my birthday, so make sure to add something for a special occasion. And just like that, I have everything I need. For the past 3 years, I've been traveling full time, going to a different city every month. So you can say that I've been packing a lot, and I've also been spending a lot more time thinking and deciding what I'm going to even pack in those bags. And on top of that, as somebody who is a chronic overpacker, I mean, you used to see me going to Europe with 3-4 bags just for myself. I feel like I've finally cracked the code on my strategy to pack exactly what I need, have enough clothes for a month, and also, most importantly, be traveling carefree in the airport because I'm not trying to juggle 3 bags all by myself. And it still blows my mind that what used to take me hours and hours is now done in 3 seconds, like we just saw. Thanks to Chatty, so let me explain the exact process and the prompt that you're going to use anytime you are deciding what to pack for a trip so that you can save tons of hours like I have done the past few months. Step number 1, of course, you're gonna tell it where you're going. And then you wanna make sure that you are clearly telling it to tell you the weather for the entire period. That is super important. Next, and this is what I found really makes a difference, say exactly what your routine will be like. Obviously, because I travel for the full month, I go and I work, like I have more of a routine down and I know my days. But if you're going to a resort, say you're gonna be in a resort. If you're going hiking, say you'll be hiking. If you're going on a specific adventure activity, like you have something in mind, make sure that you say that. And then lastly, of course, you're gonna wanna highlight any special events like I did, saying it was my birthday, if it's an anniversary, you have a wedding there, make sure you are very clear so that it adds everything that you'll need for that special occasion to your packing guide. These, by the way, are the packing cubes that I love using because they have compression and my go-to carry-on bag that opens from the front so that more stuff fits in instead of like this. That's the exact prompt that I've been using, and you'll get a full outline of what to pack. But then what I recommend is to take it a step further and ask for combination with the exact clothes that you've selected. And of course, you can go in and change things. So for example, if it gives you the idea to pack white pants, but you don't have white pants and don't want to obviously go out and buy white pants, then you can tweak it and say, hey, no, I have these beige ones or these flower ones that I want to use. Now create some combinations and different outfit ideas that I can do with this specific thing. By now, I'm pretty sure that we all know how great AI is, but the one thing that AI has not been doing the past few years is spending hours and hours stuffing things into a carry-on to make sure that those bags close and that they're not overweight, which is something that I have been doing. So let me add in some tips that AI will not give you. Shoes. Shoes are the one thing that you cannot fold, you cannot squeeze, you cannot make smaller in order to fit into your bag. So even if Chatty recommends taking a wide pair of shoe or more than 3 pairs of shoes, from my personal experience, don't. 3 pairs of shoes is literally all you need for even up to 6 months of travel. And if you have a special occasion and you need like some big heels or something like that you'll only be using once, it's honestly even smarter to buy it there than to travel with it for a while when you're only using it one night. And it obviously makes a special occasion even cooler because you're buying shoes at your destination. So just leaving that out there. My tip number 2 is to always make sure that your travel outfit, like your airport fit, is something that you can actually wear throughout the other day. So that way it's not just like a one-time use. I found that honestly helps me a lot, and it used to take up a lot of space because I would take like super comfy like long leggings, but then if I'm going to somewhere super hot, I'm never ever using those leggings that I have literally sitting in my closet taking up space. And for what? I might as well pack more things that I can get more use out of in the travel that I'm going to take. And number 3, always remember that the more versatile the better, and that's something that you should also add in your ChatGPT prompt, especially if you're a female that loves taking accessories like purses or things like that, because that takes up so much space in our bags. So make sure that if you are packing big purses or you want to have like different ranges of purses for different activities, you are taking the more versatile so that it matches with the most variety of things. When I travel, I usually like doing neutral colors on purses, something that will always go no matter what. So I'll do my beach bag. Then I have a little purse that I always carry that's great for dinners or whenever I'm going out. And then something more neutral like a backpack where I can always put my laptop anytime I'm going to work at a coffee shop. So try it out for yourself and let me know how it goes down in the comments below.